Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Dogecoin from KuCoin to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on KuCoin and want to move it over to Coinbase for better management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any updates in 2025, as crypto platforms evolve quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Coinbase. You'll need some Dogecoin in your KuCoin wallet and the exact wallet address from Coinbase to receive it. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Dogecoin balance. Click on Withdraw next to Dogecoin. This will open a form where you'll enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, select the Dogecoin network. Stick with the main Dogecoin network for compatibility. Now, paste in your Coinbase Dogecoin wallet address. You can find this by logging into Coinbase, going to your wallet, and copying the address for Dogecoin. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw. Remember to account for network fees, which might be around 1 to 2 Doge depending on 2025 rates. Always check the estimated fees displayed. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once the withdrawal is initiated, it usually takes 10 to 30 minutes to process, but it could vary based on network congestion. Head over to your Coinbase account and refresh your wallet to see the Dogecoin arrive. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit longer or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. A few quick tips for 2025. Always use the correct network to prevent lost funds. Keep an eye on gas fees which might fluctuate, and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.